Here's some stuff you need to know.
So now that we're installing the Backsplash, I wanted to take just a few minutes to show you some tricks that'll help you save some time and headaches, just in case you're interested in doing a project like this. All right, so we're going to be using a pre-mixed adhesive today, and we're going to be using the little 1/8 inch notch trowel, because smaller tiles, you use too big of notches, material comes squeezing out between, and you don't want that. And this gives you kind of the setting size of the notches, whether you use a V trowel or squared. We're going to be using the squared. Now, you can see exactly why I put the tape and paper down now, to protect the countertop from getting this material on it. Nice thing about working with tile and pre-mixed mastics like this, you can basically start and stop whenever you want. When you get to a spot where you want to stop, all you got to do is scrape off whatever mastic you already put on and reapply new mastic when you're ready to start again. It really isn't a complicated setup at all. All right. So again, I'm just going to use these little tiles, or these little spacers, to keep it up off the countertop. Now, some people prefer to put the mastic on the back of the tile. And if you do them bigger squares, sometimes that's actually easier. On these little squares, it's usually not. But I did miss getting right all the way up to the edge there, so I'll just apply it to the back here and be able to put that into place. Okay, the Backsplash is really coming along, and all we have left is to put the last few remaining tiles along the wall, grout it, and clean it up. Want more videos like these? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. It'll keep you informed.